Next, I would like to introduce another added benefit that government made available to us. Something issued, I think it was in 2023 or 2022. Government created a new incentive for businesses to install renewable energy to help solve the energy crisis. That's called 12BA of the Income Tax Act. It's an insertion into the Act. There used to be a 12A, then 12B, and now 12BA. So let's jump into that and see what that is all about. As you can see, this is a document issued by National Treasury, where they just explain a little in simpler terms what and who can enjoy this benefit. Okay, so enhanced renewable energy incentives. It's a 5-page document. But just what's important for us to see who can claim the incentive. Businesses that are registered for corporate tax and sole proprietors, they can enjoy that. What can be claimed? Businesses can claim an upfront deduction of 125%. So it's not just the value of your solar system and the supporting components. So we'll get to that now. But 125%, so 25% extra is what you can claim. It's an upfront claim. So it's 100% depreciation in the first year of 125% of the cost of the solar system. Okay, so what can be claimed? To acquire qualifying assets in the generation of electricity, including supporting structures. So if you wanted carports for your business, and we can install carports to support the solar panels, then those carports can also be included as part of the 125% 12BA. What are the requirements? Okay, this is quite important. The business must own the asset, so you must own the asset. The asset must be used in the production of income. Only new and unused assets, so you can't use second-hand equipment or refinance old equipment and try and produce that into 12BA. It has to be new equipment. And the assets must be brought into use for the first time on or after March 2023 and before 1 March 2025. Important, really important, and we'll see it again later, that this benefit, this 125% benefit, expires 1 March 2025. It has to be commissioned before 1 March 2025. We can see that here in the description. There it says 1 March 2025. Assets must be used for generating electricity from any of the following renewable sources, and as we can see, photovoltaic energy sources are there as well, and then all the other renewable energies, or many of the other renewable energies too. Which assets are eligible? It's quite a long paragraph, not going to read through it all, but it comes down that any asset, any part of the asset that is used for the production of electricity and the supporting structures. There was a question about batteries. Can you claim with the batteries? There's a paragraph. It says, if storage and conversion assets form part of the system of assets that together produce batteries, the question was, can you include batteries in your 125% tax claim? It says, if storage and conversion assets form part of the system of the assets that together produce electricity, which is aligned to the objectives of this incentive, it is likely that they will qualify for this renewable income. And then it goes on to say that if it's only a UPS system, another system that uses the grid to charge the batteries and then use that stored energy to keep your business going, that will not qualify, most likely not qualify. How long will this enhanced energy tax incentive be available? Here it says again, only from 1 March 2023 until 28 February 2025. So the time is now. We really have to jump. We're running out of time. It must be brought into business before that date. My business borrow the funds. I'm not going to read through all that. The answer is yes. What about lease agreements? There's a long discussion about lease agreements, but the answer is still, if you are the business that use electricity, but you don't own the asset. So remember, one of the first paragraphs I spoke about is you need to own the asset. So if you don't own the asset, if you lease it from a third party, from either the banks or a third party asset financing, then the party that leases it to you, they may claim that benefit, and you can't claim that benefit. So if you want to claim the benefit, then you have to own the asset. It cannot be a lease. It can be financed, but it cannot be a lease. A rent-to-own option, that won't work either. Even if the asset becomes yours after some period of time, 5 or 8 years, depending on how long the financing period is, then you won't qualify for the benefit. But the company that leases it to you, they may use that benefit. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all the details over here. I'll make this document available to you if you would like to work through it. Just speak about other grants. If you had other grants, can you use it? Can you do it after 2025? No, you can't. Can you claim 12E and 12B and 12BA? No, you can't. Only one of those you can claim. So there's quite a bit of the tax act that are significant. But the take home from this is 125% of what you spend. So if you spend R1 million on a solar system, then 1.25 million you can subtract from your taxable income for the first year. So what does that mean? So if your business was to be profitable this year, well, even if it wasn't profitable, you can obviously carry that over to the next year. If you bought a solar system or installed a solar system for R1 million, well, then 1.25 million rand you can deduct from your taxable income. And then you'll be paying tax on the reduced amount. The company tax currently is 27%. So you'll effectively be saving 27% of whatever your your solar system installation cost is, including batteries, including the carport, if you install that on some of the ground mount system or a carport system. So that's 12BA of the Income Tax Act. Again, solar intelligence as introduced and enjoyed by Polymath Solar.